have you seen, I mentioned optical illusions before as an explanation. There are certain places where, and you can see videos of it, you can go there yourself. I think there's one there's a place in England that's like this, or, yeah, I think England, I'm not sure. There's a place where you can stand on a road. You just see a normal road. You see a road going uphill, very slightly uphill. So imagine you're standing and you're looking at the road going uphill. You pour water on the road, and the water starts going uphill. And you can see it on video. It's an actual place you can go to, you can do it yourself. What's happening is an optical illusion, obviously, because we know that's not how gravity works, that's not how water works, that's not how liquid dynamics works. But what I want to say from this is your senses in general can be easily fooled. So there are many simple, for example, optical illusions. Have you seen the ones where it's literally just a grid? A grid, grey lines.
Yes.
And like you're going to play tic-tac-toe or OXO or whatever you want to call it. But when you look at it, in the places where the lines intersect, where they touch each other, you see tiny little dots. But when you look at it, the dots aren't there, but from your peripheral vision from the side, you see them there. You go to look, they're not there. You go to look, they're not there. So that's something very simple, literally just lines, just a grid. So your eyes and your brain are already fooled by that. So when I see a video of something that's so grainy, so far away, to claim it's a UFO would be very difficult for me, because I know I can't trust my eyes as well as I would like to.
Kellek xi esperjenza tal-paranormali jew xi ħaġa inspjegabbli jew inkella UFOs? Tixtieq taqsama magħna? Jekk iwa, ikkuntattjana fuq daw il-links li ħantukom.